a very late morning. It's past 12. So I'm starting my vlog right now, and we already had our breakfast, which is tea and shake, and our lunch is cooking over here. And let's see where. Look at this boy. What are you doing in Daddy's office? What are you doing? Huh? And Mayank is here working. You wanna say hi?
Morning! Though it's not a morning, we are starting a vlog late.
Yes.
So I'm working right now, and that little devil is back here again. He keeps playing in my office.
Marble?
He goes, sits down on his bed, and he plays over there.
What are you doing? Are you eating your ball? So, I'm just gonna go make some lunch, take bath, and get back to you guys in some time. So, I took bath, and now I'm gonna food prep. I mean lunch prep, and I'm gonna do the dishes, and that's it. This is my all-purpose cleaning. I can clean the countertops, the slabs, I can clean the dining table, I can clean my side bed night table, anything you want to clean, you can just clean with this. It is compatible with marble, glass, wood, everything. So it's very simple to make this. I just used distilled white vinegar, some water, and my dish cleaning soap. That is it. Just shake it and use it. It's very good. And I'm making lunch. I'm just gonna chop up some onion, garlic, and my lentils are slow cooking here for like how many hours? 3 hours, babe? 3 hours. Yes. And I'm just gonna saute all these things, add some spices, add it to the lentil, and lunch is ready.
Looks like lunch is ready. It's super delicious. It's super healthy. So I am excited about this. Look at that. Lentil soup. So I've been missing all day because I've been working, and I'm just taking a quick like 5-minute thing to just go have some lunch, and we're gonna go have some lunch. Okay, so finally this is a tea time. My office is over. It's like 5:15, so I'm done with my work. Because I work from home, it's not necessarily that I get off at 5. It's just whenever I finish my work. So we are still thinking what are we gonna do next, and for now we are having this amazing tea to gather the energy for the rest of the remaining day. And once we are done drinking this tea, we are gonna go work out. Either we are gonna go work out in the gym, or we do at-home workouts. So we are gonna do that. And if you want to check out more detailed at-home workouts, go check out our another channel, and you can find the links in the description box for the other 2 channels, which is the recipes. One is for the recipes, and one is for our workouts. So feel free to check out those channels. Feel free to leave us a comment if there is anything in particular that you guys want us to do for you. Do check it out.
dinner. I'm just making the dinner beforehand so that we can just have some us time. We can sit around and talk, and then when we are hungry, we can eat it. So what I'm making here is I have some potatoes. I'm gonna be making like masala dry potatoes with this poppy seed. So this is what poppy seed is. I'm gonna make paste out of this one with some spices and cook potatoes in that spices and some rice, and we have leftover lentils from our lunch. So that is going to be our dinner. So let's get cooking.
Marvel, mommy and daddy are going out for 2 minutes. They'll be back, okay? Okay, guys. So it's been a long time, and we have been craving suddenly today for Oreo McFlury. We typically don't eat uh, a lot of sugar every day, but sometimes we crave. When we crave, we eat. When we eat, we work out. And after we work out, we eat again. So basically, it's the cycle we love to do. It's okay to eat once in a while. So she has been actually craving for McFlurry, and so we decided to go take a quick spin at McDonald's and get Oreo McFlurry for ourselves. That's a reward. Reward.
Reward. Reward. Reward. Okay, let's go. I love McFlurry, Oreo McFlurry from McD. I don't know, it's that crunchy and creamy mix. Oh my god, it's delicious. If you haven't tried it, try it. If you haven't tried it, try it. So we got a McFlurry. Oh my god, look at this. This is what I was talking about. Oh yeah. It has crunchy Oreo. I'm super excited to eat it. Okay guys, so it's midnight and I really want to sleep, but look at these two. They have no interest in sleeping. They're just playing away over here. Marvel, it's the nighty-night time.
What did mommy say?
It's the nighty-night time. Come on, let's go to sleep, please. Can we go to sleep?
What is mommy saying? Say hi to your subscribers. Say hi. They all love you. Mommy's saying it's time to sleep now. Say good night.
Can you say good night?
Good night. Let's say good night. Say
Okay.
Here, say good night. Good night. Good night.
Okay, so we are going to sleep and good night. I hope you enjoy our vlog. Subscribe to our channel and we'll keep bringing you more fun vlogs. Good night. Bye-bye. Marvel? Marvel? Okay, here it goes again.